Hey, how's it going, y'all? Jake here, coming at you with another video. And today, first things first, I probably look really tired because it's kind of early. I had to wake up because I'm waiting for my friend to get here, and we got to finish cleaning out the driveway. So, yeah, but first things first, I want to show you guys my dirt bike. Alright, here's my dirt bike. It's a Suzuki RM100, but it's not stock at all. It's pretty fast. It'll keep up with the 250, no problem. I got the head bored out and got different shocks on it and all kinds of shit. Aftermarket exhaust, all kinds of stuff. Better carburetor, bunch of stuff. So guys, what we're getting ready to do next is we're gonna go feed my rabbits and my beagles, which beagles are rabbit dogs. So I'll catch you when we get there. Hey guys, we're coming up on the rabbits, and the reason I started this so far back is because I want to show you this Mustang. This is my 1967 GTA Coupe. It's a really rare Mustang, so yeah, that's my Mustang. I'll show you the side of it. To tell you the truth, right now it will fire right up, no problem. Just needs tires, really, but tires, and the interior needs redone because all the seals are broken. It's got water in it, so yeah. These guys are probably hungry and thirsty. Ugh, it's hard to open. Come on, I gotta get the food pan. What are you doing there, baby? Girl? Big old girl. It's a big old rabbit, guys. She ain't no small rabbit, to tell you. By any means. Ain't none of my rabbits small. Hang on, I gotta. Sorry, I had to take the camera there. And she likes to stick her head under the thing when you're putting food in it. She always, I don't know why she does that. This is hard to do with one hand. Get your head out from under it. Look at her. She's just sitting there with her head under it. Whoa. There we go. There's a little baby. Look at a little guy. You guys want to see a little baby rabbit? Look at him. Oh, he's kind of squirming around. Trapper likes. He would eat him if he could. Alright guys, I'll come back with you when we start cleaning out the driveway some. Hey guys, how's it going? We're getting ready to walk up to the fire pit where we've been stacking brush all day. So I'm going to show you the big old pile we got. It's about 9.5 foot tall and about probably 13-15 foot wide. It's pretty big. So we're almost there. You guys are probably going to be pretty surprised. And I can't wait till we burn it, because that's going to make a pretty good video. So here we are at the fire. Look at that. Let me back up a little bit. That thing's huge. Get ground level with it, like this. And there comes Japper. What are you doing, buddy? Mr. Trapper. He's a pretty good dog. So yeah, that's a pretty big brush pile. Let's walk around it. There's a bunch of cedar and hickory and logs and all kinds of stuff in there. Trapper's excited about something. He's like, let's burn it, let's burn it. I can't wait till we do burn it. Alright guys, that's the big fire. So see you when we do something else today. Hey guys, right now we're getting ready to go for a ride on my dirt bike. It's not going to be very long, but we're going to go for a ride. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. That's going to be it for today. I will catch you tomorrow. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all later.